Qualcomm just dropped a beast. The new Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 is here, promising near-flagship performance without the flagship price. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Just months after revealing the ultra-premium Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, Qualcomm has officially unveiled its slightly more accessible counterpart, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. While it sits just below the Elite version, this new processor still packs serious punch, bringing top-tier performance to a wider range of premium smartphones. Gamers, content creators, and AI enthusiasts are in for a treat. Built on TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm N3P process and featuring the same powerful Orion CPU cores as the Elite, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 runs slightly lower at 3.8 GHz, but still delivers jaw-dropping improvements. Compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, users can expect up to 36% better overall performance, 42% higher power efficiency, and GPU gains of around 11%, with 28% more efficiency. In layman terms, smoother graphics without guzzling battery life. Where the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 really shines is AI. Qualcomm boasts up to 46% improvement over the previous generation, unlocking faster on-device AI processing, smarter agentic AI assistants, and personalized context-aware interactions. Video editing, multitasking, and next-level gaming are all about to get a serious upgrade. Qualcomm says the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 will bring this flagship-level firepower to phones from brands like OnePlus, Vivo, Motorola, and iQOO, with new devices expected in the coming weeks. For anyone who wants elite Snapdragon performance without paying elite prices, the 8 Gen 5 could be a game-changer. Qualcomm is making high-end performance more accessible, and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 is ready to dominate the premium smartphone market. For more updates, tips, and tricks, and gaming news, like this video, comment, and subscribe to GadInsider.